today is May 5th, and I gotta get these seeds going. I got the seeds yesterday, but I had to travel out of town, so I'm gonna have to do this on the fly. One of the issues that I'm trying to figure out is the seeds need to be at a certain temperature. 85 degrees is ideal. So how am I gonna keep them at 85 degrees traveling on the road out of my travel trailer? I don't wanna sleep at 85 degrees. I don't wanna live in there at 85 degrees. So I'm gonna have to do something on the outside. I'm gonna have to put up a table, probably try to enclose it, maybe some heat lamps or something like that. But that's my goal, and I'm not gonna start this until I got that figured out. So I'm on my way down to Lowe's. I'm in Southern California traveling, but I gotta get my pumpkins rolling. But first I gotta figure out this heat problem, because I don't want to get the process started without knowing how I'm going to keep these seeds warm or the plants warm or whatever it might be. Finally made it to Lowe's. Let's go in and see what I can find. I think I need to get a some kind of thermometer to gauge the heat that I have. I need to find some heating source, whether some lights or a blanket or something. Get these seeds in 85 degrees. That's the goal. So let's go inside. Check this out. Heating mat for plants. Didn't even know that ever existed. So I'm getting one of those for sure. Then I'm gonna get some plant labels because I'm going to mark my pumpkins. Because remember, they came with different stickers from different size of pumpkins. Remember that when I did the opening? So it says what pumpkins they're coming from. I think I'll get these little pots here. Some of those, you know, to get my little plants going after they come out of the napkin. Sorry, not napkin, the paper towel. So I got that, got my heater. Let me see, I'm gonna walk around this, what do they call this? The landscape department, something? Let me see what they got around here. Definitely need one of these. Now I just need a pot for them to go on. I think this is the pot. I think that's it. Greenhouse kit, starting pot. Where is this one over here? Peat pellets in this one. Shit, who knows? Anyways, I'm gonna try this one. You remember I got the soil or fertilizer or whatever the hell I got in those bags. But anyways, this is what I'm getting. Starter thing, a green light, the heating pad, 6 pots. Now I need to find a thermometer.
What are you looking for?
A thermometer to get the temperature of the soil.
Oh, sure. Okay, let me look that up.
Do you have those?
I think we may have some in stock on the app, but I don't think I have any in stock here. Soil thermometers are pretty common, but
are they?
I just don't think I have any in stock.
Like usually you would, but now you're out kind of thing? Yeah, go ahead,
that's
sir.
a special order type of item.
Oh, is it?
I don't
right.
sell any soil thermometers at all.
Do you know who might in the area? Like,
no, sure don't.
Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you. There you go. No soil thermometers at Lowe's for me. I have an idea. Since they don't have any garden thermometers and it's a little late to be going to a different kind of store, I'm going to go to the grill section and get some kind of thermometer they have over there. All I need to do is make sure my seeds are 85 degrees. There has to be some kind of thermometers around here somewhere. I'm definitely in the right section, I believe. Here we go. Right here. Here's the thermometers, right, with the knives and gloves. They're a little pricey. $79 for a thermometer? $59? What the hell? Everybody lost their damn minds. I think I'm gonna get like a probe one and just stick it in the dirt. This is what I'm gonna get right here. Therm Pro. I'm gonna stick those probes in my soil. Goal, 85 degrees. I think that'll do it. I've got one more thing I gotta get. Apparently, you need to get some sandpaper or some abrasive something to sand these seeds to help them open up. There's no such thing as cheap sandpaper. You gotta buy 10 or look, $8, $5. Let's see, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna get 180 grit. So I'm just gonna get one of these foam things. There you go. That's gonna be my sandpaper. Done. Let's go check out. We're gonna see how much it's gonna cost me to get my seeds going. $119. The grow light was $47. So here's a breakdown. Thermometer, $22.09. Sandpaper, $6. Round pods, $5. The heating pad, $30. Jiffy Pro tray, $7. Plant labels, $3. And the grow light, $47. Look, that's the proof right there. $119 for me to get my seeds started. Wow, things are beginning to add up around here. Way up.